Hi, this is going to be a quick review of points, lines, rays, and line segments. So when we see a line with 2 points on either end, that is called a line segment. When you have a line with double arrows, that is called a line because it continues forever on either side. A dot represents a point. When you see the dot with an arrow going away from it, that is a ray. Again, 2 dots on either side is a line segment. And I'm trying to print. And remember, you can slow this down. And when you have arrows on either side, remember it's a line. Now a line, I'm going to bring this up. A line, remember, is a line with arrows on both sides. A ray is a dot with an arrow going away from it. And a line segment is a dot with a line between another dot. Okay? Now we're going to pause this for a minute. Now I would like you to remember this is a point, this is a line segment, this is a line, and this is a ray. I just want you to remember when you do a ray, you have to start with the letter that's at the dot. So this would be FG ray. This would be DE or ED line. This would be BC or CB line segment. And this would just be B point, whatever you label it. Okay? So I'd like you to take a minute. I'm going to pause this. And then I am going to go over the answers. But I want to see how well you do on your own. So take a minute. Okay, now let's check our answers. Now I'm hoping you use the definitions along the top to help you. And I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. So remember, CD, this is a line segment, and it can be written CD or DC with that line above it. The ray is XY because this is the point it starts at, and this is where the arrow is. So we draw an arrow over XY. So either way. Same here. We have ray QR or QR with a line with an arrow over it. This is just a point L. This is a line segment, and remember you can do it NO with a line over it or ON. It can be either or. Then we have a line down here, which is UV or VU because it can be either way. And then when it's a line, you put an arrow on each side. The line HI or line IH, it's the same thing next door, except it's HI or IH. Okay? And then we have another ray, which is KJ. Remember, you start at the point and you go toward the ray. This is the only one that really has to be in this particular order. Okay? Hope this helped. Thanks for listening.